This is for all my flesh eaters. I really need y'all to stop eating flesh. Do you know human flesh and animal flesh and mammal flesh and the ocean, the sea creatures? I forgot what would I call them. You feel me? It slipped my mind, but I'm just so lost for words how they turn humans, which is frugivores. Look at our teeth. Our teeth is made for frugivores. They are straight. You feel me? We don't have canines in our mouth. We're not supposed to be ripping through flesh, ripping through bones. Flesh is muscles and cells. Y'all are eating cells. I see why they call y'all monsters in the Black Law Dictionary. Somebody turned y'all psychology around and got y'all living backwards, man. You heard me? You could be a serpent or you could be a reptar, man. Y'all need to walk straight up. Come on, man. Wake up, bro. Y'all eating flesh. Stop eating flesh, man. Don't be a flesh eater. Love.